Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel subscription on Patreon using the mobile app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Patreon app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on your home page, look at the top of your screen and tap on profile icon in the corner. Now select settings. This takes you to your account settings. Next, tap on manage membership or membership. Here you will see a list of all the creators you are currently supporting. Find the creator you want to stop supporting and tap on their name. Then tap on edit membership. Now scroll down a little and you will see the option that says cancel membership. Tap on that. Patron might ask you why you are canceling. You can choose a reason or just skip it. It's up to you. Finally, tap confirm cancellation and that's it. You have cancelled your membership. You won't be charged again in the next billing cycle. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.